Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I am showing you a homemade cleaner that leaves every surface sparkling. This is my secret to leaving everything sparkling and forgetting about expensive cleaning products. I will set a pan on fire and add water, a zest of lemons, then I will let it boil. And add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Be careful because it fizzes. Before we continue, please subscribe and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Let it boil for some minutes and turn off the heat. Strain the liquid when it's cooled down. Add 1½ cups of liquid soap and mix well. Pour the mixture into container with this powerful cleaner and grease remover. You can remove grease and stains from your stove, pots, pans, sinks, hoods, and more. Just apply little of the preparation and clean usual and remove the excess with damp or dry cloth. This is also good for the toilet as it eliminates yellow stains and bad odor. This trick is cheap and easy. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below and let me know how helpful this video is for you. See you in the next video.